you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be mixing my styling products before I apply them to my hair, and we are doing a wash and go. So I've already cleansed all of my hair, and in this video, I'm trying to figure out new combos. So I'm gonna try this combo out, and I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Y'all should already know, like, this is the starter kit. Everybody was on this so long ago, but like nobody posts about it now. So I was like, I have 3 curl enhancing smoothies over there. So sis need to start using them. And it just looks so creamy and so buttery. That's what I'm gonna be using along with the Ancient Egyptian 24 karat glistening gel by the Main Choice. Y'all should already know I love this. It's gold. It smells amazing. I haven't used it in a minute, but this is like, I try not to use my good gels a lot in these combos just because I know a lot of you really like the Wet Line Extreme Gel, so I try to do different combos with that, especially because it's affordable. But there's other stuff out there, so I'm like, I need to start making sure I'm still mentioning my other products that I like. So yeah, my hair is still wet. I didn't put no bag on it just because I don't think I need it. Actually, there was a method that I seen on YouTube where this girl really used her Denman brush a lot. And I kind of know that Denman brushes don't necessarily work on my hair, but I kind of want to try it again anyway. So I'm going to go look at that video. I'm going to find the video because I want to put whoever did it below. Let's get started. I am going to also be, like I said, using the products. I'm going to mix them first, and then we're going to apply them to my hair. But I want to show you guys how it looks. Okay, so here's my hand. Here's my hand. I'm going to put a little bit of the gel. Okay, and then I'm going to put some of this Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So there's that. And I'm just going to go ahead and fuse them together, mix them together. And as you guys can see, it's not necessarily going away, but it's not clumpy. It's very smooth. So I think this will be an okay pairing. The more I rub it, the whiter it's getting. I'm going to just put some more on because, of course, I'm going to need a lot for my hair. Dang it, I ain't even part my hair off. Y'all wasn't going to tell me I ain't even part my hair off, friend? All right. I can only use one hand. I just put all this in my hand. Oh, gosh. I ain't even detangled. What is happening, Kimberly? What are you doing? So I'm just going to pin this up. And I'm going to go ahead and mix the products in together. It's like making your own handmade products. Okay, this might be a lot of products, but just going to go ahead and apply this on this section. So I'm going to just go ahead and use all this on this section. I know it is a lot. Like I just said earlier, I'm going to be using my Denman brush, and the Denman brush likes to remove products. So let's see. So just going to take my Denman brush, and first of all, hair ain't detangled at all. I'm hoping to get some clumped curls by doing this, by the way. Okay. Ooh, shoot, that's a lot of product. Woo there, Kimberly. So a lot of people are using this brush by like curling their hair around the brush, going downward like so, like this. And then what she did was she shingled after this. I don't like how that make my root look. I think I want to add additional gel to like my root because I don't know how I feel about that. But I do want to go ahead and shingle. I'm going to try to do them a little bigger than I normally do. I want them to be kind of clumped. I don't know. I've been kind of feeling the whole clumped curls look. And you know what? I'm just going to not worry about my roots in this video because, first of all, I stretch my roots anyway. So we're going to basically focus on the length of my hair. So it looks like I got bigger, fluffier curls, which I'm not mad at, honestly. like I said, I'm gonna just stop worrying about my roots because I stretch those out anyway. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue. I'm gonna be mixing the products, applying them to my hair, using the Denman brush, so forth and so on. And we're just gonna have to see how this comes out, because I actually like how my curls look very clumped together. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, let's continue. Look at my curls. I have no idea how they're gonna dry, but I'm actually excited about them. As I was doing this throughout my head, of course, I realized some things that was working and some things that wasn't working. So I'm kind of excited about this method that I have going on. And it definitely had a lot to do with the combination and me mixing the products first. But we'll talk about all of that later. I am going to sit under the dryer, and then I will be back when my hair is dry. Okay, you guys, so I know I said that I would come back once everything was like dry and my hair was all fluffed out or whatever, but I want to show you guys how it looked. I actually just went to get my nails done. I went to the nail salon. It basically air dried about, I want to say 50%. It's still wet in the inside, but as you guys can see, my curls look so freaking good. They don't even look like my regular curls, which is what I wanted. Like, what? This is a whole nother type of wash and go. Look at my curls. Now, I do have a lot of frizz like right up in here, but as you guys know, I do stretch my hair, so a lot of that is going to be non-existent anyway, so that's cool, and my ends will still look nice and big, hopefully, after I stretch it, if I don't like manipulate it too much. But I do like, of course, I have a lot of shrinkage. Like, my hair is just barely touching my shoulder. Like, I got shrinkage out of this world. Actually about to take my Dyson and go in and stretch my hair, and then we're gonna see. Since, like I said, since my hair is pretty wet in the inside, it's gonna help with the stretching anyway. All right, you guys, so this is the final look of the wash and go, and I would have to say I really do like it. Now, this is a very long-lasting wash and go because, let me tell you, it's so moisturized, you guys. My hair has never felt this moisturized. And I know it's that Curl Enhancing Smoothie. It is a little bit thicker, a lot bit thicker than a lot of the products I've been using. So it did take a longer time to dry. It feels way more moisturized, and the definition is here. So it did take a long time for me to get my hair big. Like, I've been trying to pick it out for the longest. I actually had to pick it this time. Normally, I don't have to pick out my hair, but since this is very moisturized, it's very tamed. So it's kind of hard to make it bigger, but this is the type of hairstyle that over time it's gonna look really, really good. I would have to say I actually love this method. I have been separating a lot of my curls, as you can see, just like that, and it created like a ton of little like coils, which I think is super freaking cute. Now my roots are very puffy, but like you can see, that's what allowed me to get some of this volume, because if not, my hair will be super flat. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know, I really like it. I mean, I know I have on black, but I really like it. It's so moisturized. I am actually going on a boat party today, so that's why I look like I'm about to go swimming. This is actually the look I'm going for. Very light, airy makeup and a nice fro. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Mixing those products together was bomb. I think this is my new wash and go method, with the mixing of the products, using the Denman brush, doing the coils, and then shingling. All of that is like my new method of doing my wash and goes. Now I am going to be testing this out with other product combinations, so be sure to look out for that. But I am flabbergasted. I feel like this is so cute. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this one. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video.